So for today, we're going to do a demonstration on a simple pasta. It will be the Alligga Flaxseed Oil Linguini. The recipe is on the website. That will showcase its use in a heated preparation. And we'll also be searing some dinkbee scallops, therefore showcasing the high heat that this oil can go to. So very few ingredients to this linguini. We've got pasta, we've got the Alligga Flaxseed Oil, which is the star. We've got some halved grape tomatoes, some chopped up Italian parsley. We've got garlic, some grana padano Parmesan cheese, and we've got some chilies and wine over there as well. Now the Alligga flaxseed oil is actually the base of the sauce for this pasta, so don't worry about how much goes in the pan. Now the garlic can be minced by hand or grated right into the oil. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili flakes, add our tomatoes to the pan. Cook those down. You're going to want to add a splash of white wine. While the wine is reducing in the pan for the pasta, we'll get another pan started for searing the scallops. What we'll do is we'll season the scallops with a little bit of salt on both sides, get it into the pan of really hot oil. And immediately the scallops are starting to color. And you can continue cooking your scallops through on a lower heat. Put it right into the sauce. Give it a toss. Turn the heat off. And our final step will be to add the parsley. So this is just one of the recipes that I've helped create for the Alligga Flaxseed Oil. For more recipes, please visit the website, and that's www.alligga.com.